Let's dive in. Delicious. Hey, do you have leftover cake at home? Don't throw it away. Let's use it. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Mariana and today I'm bringing you along for one of our family traditions by showing you how to make delicious milkshakes with leftover cake. Parents sometimes have tight schedules trying to juggle time between work, family, and some alone time. But finding time to spend with my children is very important to me. A while back, my kids and I came up with the idea of doing a movie night with milkshakes, which quickly became a family tradition. This is a cool fact. Milkshakes were invented in 1885 and were first served with whiskey. By the early 1900s, milkshakes were served with ice cream. In 1922, the blender was created specifically for creating milkshakes. But let's get back to business. The first step for a movie night was to set up the living room to make it as cozy as possible. We got out some blankets, some sleeping bags, and anything that will make your house or TV room cozy. And then, of course, snacks. You can't have a movie night without snacks. All you need for this is 2 thin slices of leftover cake, about 1 centimeter thick, 1 cup of oat milk, 2 scoops of vegan vanilla ice cream, and vegan coconut whipped cream. For an easy chocolate sauce, you will need vegan chocolate chunks or chips, coconut oil or water, and to top it all off, you will need vegan sprinkles. Put all the ingredients in the blender, except for the whipped cream, and blend it until the consistency is creamy and thick. For the sauce, melt in the microwave. Always remember to do it slowly to make sure it melts completely. I usually do it in 10 seconds intervals. Now let's decorate each cup with some chocolate sauce. Then serve the milkshake and top with some vegan whipped cream. Add some more chocolate sauce and vegan sprinkles. And remember to be creative with your decorations. I saw these beautiful straws the other day and I bought them. Oh my god, these are so cute. And if you try this at home, make sure to tag us and show us your milkshake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our bunny cakes video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. You will never have leftover cakes again.